Hey, how's it going, my friends? Today I'm coming to you from Talega. We're standing in the beautiful El Patio cul-de-sac of San Rafael, and I've got a challenge for you. Try and find a better house than what's behind me for under $3 million in all of Talega. I'm waiting. I bet you can't do it. This house has everything. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, an amazing corner pocket location, and wait till you see the pool. Come inside and let's check this place out. All right, so I mentioned the pool in the backyard, but one of the things I'm most excited for you all to see is the complete remodel the homeowners just got done with. They touched everything in this house, from the floors to the kitchen to the bathrooms, everything. And wait till you see this appliance package. Come inside, check this out. So I gave you a challenge. Find a better house right now in Talega for under $3 million. I don't think it's possible, and one of the main reasons is check out the updates in this kitchen. The homeowners have done everything and they paid attention to the details. Quartz countertops. You've got the white oak accents with the white shaker cabinetry. All of the appliances are top-notch. 48-inch refrigerator, 48-inch Wolf range with 8 burners and a griddle. And to top it all off, they've got the double oven made by Wolf. And check out the backsplash on that range with the pot filler. Everything in this kitchen is done to the nines, and it's one of the best features in this home. The more time that I spend with this house, the more I fall in love with it. It really caters to so many different types of buyers, whether it's a family or multi-generational living. The possibilities are endless. Downstairs, there is a bedroom with a full bathroom right next door. Upstairs, 3 additional secondary bedrooms, one with an ensuite, the other couple sharing a Jack and Jill bathroom. And then check out this master bedroom. There's an office off the bedroom. The master bathroom is huge. It looks more like a spa than it does a bathroom. This house has everything for a buyer that's looking in Talega. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Check out this backyard. Because this house is positioned in the corner of the cul-de-sac, you get all this space. Outside eating area, under the master bedroom deck with the TV and the heater. Outside fireplace. Barbecue with an island and 4 seats that belly up to the bar. And then behind me, the pool, the 10-person spa. There's so many options in this house. And that's why I don't think you're gonna find anything better under $3 million in Talega right now. So make this your next tour. I look forward to seeing you here. Take care.